So if you're like me and you're just learning about Learn Zillion and how to use it on Schoology, you need a lot of support. So one way to find that support is when you're logged in, you want to click onto this Learn Zillion icon at the top. And when you do, it's going to open up a view where you're allowed to access this help button. And once you have access to the help button, you want to click there. And then you can scroll down and you can see that there are a lot of different help topics, but I'm going to click on the one that says for teachers. And there are beginner, intermediate topics, also how to integrate Learn Zillion with Google Classroom. And then under the advanced topics, there's this one here, how to use Learn Zillion in your learning management system, your LMS. So I'm going to click there. And our learning management system is Schoology. So I'm going to click on the how to use Learn Zillion in Schoology topic. And once I'm there, I can see that I've navigated to the help, and I can just swipe through and walk through all of the notes to see what I can learn about how to use Learn Zillion in Schoology. I can also go here and print the PDF version of the notes. And I can even, so it'll print out all of the handouts that go with this tutorial. And you can take notes as you go through it. So you click next, PDF, and then you'll see that it shows a little image of all of the steps that are highlighted here. You can save it and print it and jot down any notes. And that is how you find the tutorial on how to use Learn Zillion in Schoology.